Customer brought in this iPhone 13 Pro Max. He wants to get service on this phone. Customer has no idea what carrier works with this phone. AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, other companies. The about section of the phone, we can see that the SIM card is locked. How are we supposed to know what carrier this phone is locked to? I have 3 inactive SIM cards, one from Verizon, one from T-Mobile, and one Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. We are going to check these 3 and see if any of them get any service, or if we get an error message. If none of these SIM cards are the actual carrier the phone is locked to, we can get a report online. Okay, this is the first SIM card. This is the Verizon SIM card. Let's see if we get any error messages. Okay, activation required. Okay. SIM not supported. So this is not the carrier for this phone. So let's try another SIM card. Okay, now let's try with T-Mobile SIM card. Okay. Nope, T-Mobile is not a comparable carrier. Now let's try the next SIM card. Okay, now we are going to try the AT&T SIM card. Okay. So we already tried the 3 major carriers here in the US. So now I'm going to show you what website you can go to and order a free report, and on that report you can find the carrier the phone is locked to. So you have to enter the IMEI number, IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and there's here a number of the phone you are trying to find the carrier for. I already typed these numbers, and let's see what is the carrier the phone is locked to. So according to this report, the phone is locked to US Xfinity Mobile. So this phone can get service from this carrier or ask the carrier to unlock the phone. There are several other ways to unlock the phone, but that's another video. Thank you for watching. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.